Hello, hello. My name is Eliana. I am 25 years old. I live in the Fusagasugá, Cundinamarca. I am a student at the National Open and Distance University. In my free time, I like to listen to music, watching movies, and walking my dog Sol. Every day I wake up early, take a shower, have breakfast, start and work on my computer in the afternoon where I cook salt and the cook dinner. On weekends and spend time with my family. We go to the park and sometimes visit friends. I love my family very much. Thank you.